So YouTube, I've been getting requests from everybody and stuff saying, "Hey, bring back cooking with Snipe. What happened to cooking with Snipe? I love cooking with Snipe." I've been getting videos and stuff, and I'm gonna bring back cooking with Snipe. So that's how this video is being made. Now, I'm already zooted. I'm gonna get zooted again. Then we get into the video. So stay tuned, and we got cooking with Snipe. We fit turn up. Well, I don't know what we fit cook yet, but we fit cook something. She say.
We eating good. It's Jamaican money. I gotta go convert this down for a lot. I don't even know where to start. See, y'all people that hate and stuff. Look what I'm doing. I don't understand why y'all bothering none of y'all. Not coming at you with me.
Alright, so we back at it with cooking with Snipe. I'm sorry, but how my placement of my phone is right now is probably as low as y'all can get. But yeah, I'm finna make some tilapia, or no, salmon, and I'm finna teach y'all how to cook salmon. Alright, this is my little sauce, my little drip. But yeah, first I'm gonna start off by washing my hands, nigga. Wash your hands, cause I'm trying, bro. If I could teach y'all little niggas anything, fam, I wanna teach y'all that you need to wash your hands before you cook, touch food. Cause bro, I don't want y'all niggas working at my food restaurant or something, like, and I fuck around, mess around and get some food, and y'all niggas didn't wash y'all hands. So every time I can tell y'all to wash your hands, I don't do it. Wash your hands, little nigga. But before we even touch the food, we feel just go ahead and put this in a bowl and let that hustle on some warm water just so it can defrost. But you know what it's gonna do. I'm 2 blunts in right now, so you know I'm pretty good place. So we could just let that sit there for a minute. Got some warm water filter thing. I don't know why I'm using the filter. My dumb bro. Why was I using the filter? But I should just had the regular water run. Alright, it would have went a lot faster, and the water power would have been a lot hotter. But we're not even to worry about that. I'm gonna just let this sit in here for a couple minutes. Let it sit in there for like 5-10 minutes, and I'll be back. I'm gonna go smoke another blunt. Alright, so I'm back. I didn't get to smoke yet, but I just got rolled up. But I got the fish in the bowl, and the water got a little too cold, so I'm finna put some more water in there. By the time I come back, it should be like it's still kind of not that hard. It's not all the way defrost yet. By the time I come back, it should be right. But I'm gonna finish what I was doing. Yep. And I'll see y'all when it's time. It's cold outside. Alright, I'm back, YouTube. So, like I said, nigga, wash your hands. Alright, hold on. I just got soap all over the little handle. Dude, I should have waited to put the soap on my hand. It's okay, I'm gonna wipe it off later. Alright, so we back with the video. Wash my hands. The fish is ready. Now the season we're gonna be using is onion and lemon and pepper seasoning. So if you use that to season the fish. Now the bowl that I had the fish in with the water, now I can just pour that out. I'll get the bowl, get the chicken. I said chicken. I get the fish. I don't know. Is this real fish? Yeah, it got it. Oh, bro, this shit don't even look real. Alright. We put a little pepper on there. I mean, not pepper, but onion. Season that with a little onion right there. The onion is just gonna bring out the flavor of the fish, or whatever this is. Then we gotta get the lemon pepper. I'm just gonna put that in there. Season that a little bit. I would just roll that over. Bro, this stuff is kind of falling apart. I think it's yeah, it's probably fish for real, for real. I'm gonna say this stuff is falling apart. Alright, now that got a little seasoning. What else? What else? I'm gonna add a little pepper. A little pepper. A little pepper, bring out the little flavor in there. You never know, it might bring flavor. Then, you know, black people, you gotta add your motherfucking seasoning. You ain't adding this shit, you losing out. If you don't know what it is, then fuck your life. But put a little bit of that on there. I really want a little bit of braising on my eyes, but I know y'all probably be like, nigga, you ain't really adding a little no braising. Nigga, shut up. Got the seasoning. Add a little bread into that mud. Not a lot. Just add a little bit. Cross-contamination. Even though like everybody in this house eat fish anyway. So it's like, it's not like it's really cross-contamination because ain't nobody gonna get sick. But you know how people just rub that on there. A little bit of that. Give it a little crunch to it. This is how it looks right now. Alright, so now what I'm finna do. Ooh, I need a little salt on the hood. You gotta add a little salt, just brings out the flavor and out of everything. Yeah, I need this. I don't know. Where's the salt at? It's fish. It's already got salt. Alright. Now we done. It's time for me to go ahead and put the how we fit cook it. That's how it look right now. Ooh. I don't know, let me drop my hand. It's wet in the mud. Alright, so now we got the fish prepared. We can go ahead and throw this hoe. This thing right here. It's an air fryer. Cause like I'm trying to be on a more healthier route when it comes to the business of this doing my food. Yeah, like eating. Hold on, I gotta plug it up. I love this. I'm not gonna stun. It cooks it perfect every time. So all I'm finna do is just get the fish. I'm finna just lay that whole in there. And so what you gotta do is put the timer on 20 minutes and put it on 400. So it's start out with you. Do that. And when it's done in 20 minutes, the fish gonna be done. I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, we got 20 minutes on my feed. Just from 20 minutes. I'm loaded. I'm not finna do 20 minutes just for this. You know, it ain't worth it. I'm not finna make y'all sit through all of that. I'm not finna do it. So I'm finna go ahead, let y'all go ahead. By the time I finish this video, what was I saying? Alright, so YouTube, before we get done with the fish, because it's almost done, I've had a little secret ingredients. Pickles to that motherfucker. Oh no, that all done. Yeah. We rehydrate that fish with some pickles then. 15-20 minutes, my They said, oh, it's gonna be 15-20 minutes. The fuck? Ain't got no 10-15 minutes on there. Oh yeah. Well, he's working. I should have checked on it, but it's still straight because I think it's still. That's how it's looking right now. It's done. So really, and then I gotta clean this out because they don't know how long fish is supposed to cook. You know what I mean? No, I gotta clean this shit out. Alright, so what we finna do, man, turn that little bitch ass on cooking shit. Dumb ass heater. Alright, so what we finna do, so instead I'm finna just let the pickle juice flow on the meat. Put the pickles on there. So I got the pickles on my fish. I'm gonna just let that sit on there for a little minute. Let that hydrate for a little bit. Let that pickle juice sit in there for a little bit. Now I don't eat the pickles after it touch my fish. I don't even heard it with y'all. Like I like pickles and stuff. It's just fish and pickles just ain't my best friend. You know what I'm saying? But I like how it tastes with the fish. So I like how it brings out the fish taste. To get that juice all over it. But the fish is good though. The fish is good though. You know what I'm finna use? Hand sanitizer, ho. But and the last ingredients to your fish is Louisiana hot sauce. Don't you use no other type of hot sauce. Use it. Well, you can use like the gas station. Not the gas station, but you know when you buy fish, the one that come in little things, yeah, you can use that. But I like Louisiana hot sauce. Let y'all see how it looks. Let y'all see how this fish looking like. I'm trying to be all proper and stuff. This is how the salmon look like, my nigga. That actually look really good. Alright, let me try. That's fire. The thing about it though, I don't think it's real meat. I mean, I don't think it's real fish. Cause bro, think about it. Fish falls apart. This falls apart. But also kind of look like, bro, look at it. You see what I'm talking about? But it's fire though. That had that pickle taste for real. But yeah. So YouTube, if y'all want more cooking with Snipe videos, make sure you go like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time. See you safe, we're back. Okay, good.
We eating good. It's Jamaican money. I gotta go convert this camera for a lot. I don't even know where it's from. See, y'all get with that Cajun stuff. Look what I'm doing. I don't understand why y'all not bothering none of y'all. Not coming at you with me.